Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, guys, and what we'll be doing should cover the whole generation from year 2013 to year 2016, guys. We'll show you where to find the fuse, guys, for the heated steering wheel. Okay, a heated steering wheel, guys, or heated rear seats if you have those. It's actually one fuse for the two things, so stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction. We guys have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Dart generation, guys, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. We actually got even the engine out of the car and we took it completely apart to show you how to fix anything, so check it out, guys. Another thing, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every car, as I said, but we'll also have a link in the description of the video below, guys, that way you can buy car parts and tools for a really good price, and you can save even more money that way. So check it out, guys. Now let's go ahead and show you where that fuse is located for the heated steering wheel and for the heated seats, if you have heated seats on your Dodge Dart. This is the GT, but even if you have a regular one, the procedure is the same. You guys have 3 fuse boxes, one is under the hood, 2 are inside the car. Now, one of them is the body control module fuse box, okay, which is located right there. Okay, check it out, we're under the steering wheel, but we don't need this fuse box. We have another fuse box that usually, okay, I have that cover removed so I can show you better, but you don't have to remove it. Usually, guys, okay, that fuse box, okay, you access it from underneath. Okay, that's the brake paddles here, and this is, guys, the fuse box right there. But what I did, I pressed it in, pressed it up, and it slides out, so I can show you with a greater detail where the fuses are located, because otherwise it's not possible, guys, for me to get that camera in and show you where that fuse is for the heated steering wheel. Okay, the fuse for the heated steering wheel or the rear seats. So now we're right here, guys, and what I'm going to do, I'll pull the fuse box out a little bit so I can show you. Okay, right there. Now let me show you, guys, okay, where that fuse is for the heated steering wheel or for the rear seats. So let me just come, okay, like that, perfect, so we can see a little bit better. Now, if you look, guys, starting on the left side, this is on the left side of the fuse box. The fuse box will be facing that way in your car. On the top left is fuse number 1, the second one is fuse number 2. Now this fuse, guys, right here on the left side, the second from top to bottom, this 20 amp fuse, guys, is actually a fuse, guys, for the heated steering wheel. Now this is, guys, the fuse, the replacement fuse that we're using. You can get a great deal on those. Make sure you stay with us, I'll explain more about it, and you can see where you can buy them for a really good price. So in order to replace that fuse, all we have to do, grab it with the fuse puller, okay, that we have right here, grab it, okay, and pull it out, guys, okay, pull it out just like that. What else you need to do to replace it? All we need to do, grab a new fuse, guys. And if you're on the market for very affordable fuses, check this thing out, the whole assorted box, because with free fuse puller is for a really good price and very affordable as well, guys. So check it out. Now I'll get a new fuse and we're going to go ahead and just install it. Let me show you now. All you have to do, just push it in. So this is, guys, the fuse for the heated steering wheel and for the rear seats. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find out information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.